Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best electric digital drum set of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the Product 1. An electric drum set. An electric drum set, also known as an electronic drum set, represents a modern and versatile alternative to traditional acoustic drum kits, designed to cater to a wide range of users, including children, beginners, home enthusiasts, and professional musicians. Electric drum sets offer numerous advantages in terms of flexibility, sound customization, and convenience. These drum sets typically feature mesh or rubber pads as the playing surfaces, which simulate the feel of acoustic drum heads. The use of mesh pads, in particular, allows for a more realistic and responsive drumming experience, making them suitable for practicing intricate drumming techniques. Additionally, the pads are often equipped with sensors that can detect varying degrees of force, enabling dynamic and expressive playing. Electric drum sets are popular among beginners and those with limited space, as they are generally more compact and can be easily disassembled for storage. They also offer the advantage of adjusting practice without disturbing others. These drum sets come with a variety of built-in sounds, including realistic drum kit samples, percussion instruments, and electronic sounds. This versatility allows users to experiment with different genres of music, from traditional jazz to electronic music. Many electric drum sets also come equipped with pre-programmed drum patterns and the ability to connect to music devices, enabling drummers to play along with their favorite songs. For professionals, electric drum sets provide a reliable option for live performances and studio recordings. The ability to connect to sound modules and software allows for extensive sound customization, giving drummers the flexibility to tailor their kit to suit various musical styles. In summary, electric drum sets have become a popular choice for drummers of all skill levels and musical preferences. Their compact design, customizable sound options, and in various settings. Product 2. Professional digital electronic drums. Professional digital electronic drums represent a cutting-edge evolution in percussion technology, offering musicians and enthusiasts a sophisticated and versatile alternative to traditional acoustic drum sets. These electronic drum kits are equipped with advanced features that cater to the needs of professional musicians, providing a dynamic and customizable playing experience. One of the key components of these drum kits is the trigger pedal, which is an electronic sensor that captures the drummer's foot movements and translates them into digital signals. This allows for precise and responsive control over various drum sounds and effects. The digital nature of these drums enables a wide range of sounds and tones, making them suitable for diverse musical genres and styles. Designed for professional adults and musicians who demand high-quality performance, professional digital electronic drums often come with a variety of pre-programmed kits and the capability to create custom setups. This flexibility allows users to adapt the electronic drum set to their specific preferences and the requirements of different musical projects. Equipo de Música electric instrument, which translates to electric music equipment in Spanish, highlights the electronic and modern nature of these drum kits. This makes them an ideal choice for musicians who seek innovative solutions in their musical productions. The electronic drums are not only performance-oriented, but are also valuable tools in recording studios, enabling precise control over drum sounds and facilitating the integration of electronic percussion into a wide range of musical compositions. In summary, professional digital electronic drums with trigger pedal technology offer a blend of precision, versatility, and customization for professional musicians. These electric instruments provide an exciting avenue for creative expression, making them a valuable asset in the ever-evolving landscape of modern music production. Product 3. Product name. He Custom Grand Electric Drum Set. The Custom Grand Electric Drum Set is a cutting-edge musical instrument that offers a compact and versatile solution for drummers seeking a high-quality electronic drum kit. This 10-piece kit is designed with precision and innovation, featuring advanced components that cater to the diverse needs of drummers across various genres. One of the standout features of this drum set is its dual-zone mesh head snare and cymbal pad with choke capabilities. The dual-zone technology allows for nuanced and expressive playing, providing drummers with the ability to create a wide range of tones and dynamics. The inclusion of a choke function on the cymbal pad adds an extra layer of control, enabling drummers to mimic the natural decay of acoustic cymbals for a more authentic playing experience. With an extensive library of 467 sounds, the custom Grand Electric Drum Set ensures that drummers have a vast sonic palette to explore. This diversity in sound options caters to different styles and preferences, making it suitable for a wide range of genres and applications. Whether you're a jazz enthusiast, a rock aficionado, or an electronic music producer, this drum set aims to provide the right sounds to enhance your musical expression. The compact design of the kit makes it suitable for both home practice and stage performance, offering portability without compromising on functionality. The electronic nature of the drum set also allows for easy integration with recording software and electronic music setups, expanding its versatility for studio use and electronic music production. In summary, the custom Grand Electric Drum Set is a comprehensive and customizable solution for drummers who seek a high-quality electronic drum kit with advanced features. Its dual-zone mesh head technology, cymbal pad with choke, and extensive sound library make it a versatile choice for drummers across various genres, while its compact design ensures flexibility. Product name: the Hampback MK0 Electronic Drum Set. The Hampback MK0 Electronic Drum Set presents an excellent entry-level option for beginners and serves as a versatile and thoughtful gift, particularly suitable for occasions like Christmas or birthdays. Designed with portability and practice in mind, this electric drum set offers a compact and convenient solution for those looking to explore the world of drumming without the space constraints associated with traditional drum kits. The MK0 electronic drum set is equipped with responsive drum pads, providing an authentic and enjoyable playing experience for beginners. Its entry-level nature makes it an ideal choice for those just starting their musical journey, allowing them to practice and develop their drumming skills in a user-friendly environment. The portable design ensures that users can easily transport and set up the drum set wherever they prefer, making it suitable for various locations, such as bedrooms, practice spaces, or even on the go. As a gift, the Hampback MK0 electronic drum set combines practicality and entertainment, making it a thoughtful and engaging present for individuals interested in music and drumming. With its user-friendly features, portability, and suitability for beginners, the MK0 electronic drum set provides an accessible entry point into the world of drumming, allowing recipients to explore their musical talents and express themselves creatively. Product name: a portable drum set. A portable drum set is a versatile and convenient musical instrument designed to provide a compact and easily transportable solution for drummers. This type of drum set typically features a configuration of 5 drums, including a bass drum, snare drum, and 3 toms, allowing for a diverse range of sounds and playing styles. Additionally, it includes 3 cymbals, which usually consist of a hi-hat, crash cymbal, and ride cymbal, contributing to a comprehensive and dynamic drumming experience. One notable feature of portable drum sets is the inclusion of a mute system, which allows drummers to practice quietly by reducing the volume of the drums. This feature is especially beneficial for those in shared living spaces or for late-night practice sessions, where minimizing noise is essential. Designed to cater to a broad audience, portable drum sets are suitable for various skill levels, making them suitable for both adults and children. Beginners can use these sets to learn various skill levels, making them suitable for both adults and children. Beginners can use these sets to learn the fundamentals of drumming, while more advanced players can appreciate the professional features and versatility they offer. The double-sided drum design further adds to the flexibility, allowing drummers to experiment with different tones and styles. Overall, portable drum sets serve as an excellent option for drummers who prioritize mobility and space efficiency, without compromising on the quality of their playing experience. Whether for practice, performances, or on-the-go jam sessions, these drum sets offer a convenient solution for drummers of all levels. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.